Hey Shang people, what's up? So today I'm going to be sharing a very important topic and this will definitely help you in your fitness goals, especially be it fat loss journey. So I'm going to give you 10 important tips that you must include if you are dieting or if you want to lose that fat. These are the tips that I have used and I just wanted to share these tips with you guys so that I can make your fat loss journey a bit easy. Also guys, this is just a disclaimer, I am not a personal certified trainer, so these are just my tips and I'm not a professional, so I might be wrong in some places or your views might differ from my views a bit, so please don't judge me guys. This is all what I'm saying, what I'm going to say to you, this is all from the basis of my past experience and what has worked well for me. So I just wanted to share this with you, so please watch this video till the end guys. Tip number 1, always be in a calorie deficit. If you want to lose fat or if you want to lose weight, the foremost goal should be to eat in a calorie deficit. While eating in a calorie deficit, always remember to count each and every food that you are consuming inside your body. For example, if you're eating 2 breads, you have to measure those 2 breads कि उन दोनों breads में कितने carbohydrates हैं. और you know the drill that 1 gram of carbs has 4 calories. So according to that, you have to calculate, and your overall BMR should be 500 or 300 calories less than your BMR. For example, go to any online calculator and type your BMR. So suppose अगर आपका BMR according to your height, weight and your activity level, your BMR comes out say 2000 calories. So this 2000 calories is your basal metabolic rate, that is your BMR. अगर आप 2000 calories ही खाओगे, so you'll neither gain weight nor you'll lose weight. So you have to eat 1500 calories. So every day you are in a 500 calorie deficit. So this is the most important tip. आप चाहे कुछ भी कर लो, अगर आप एक कैलोरी सरप्लस में रहोगे तो आपका वेट कभी घटेगा नहीं. So my first tip, you always have to be in a calorie deficit. Second tip, increase your protein intake. Out of protein, carbs and fats, protein is more filling and protein also has a more thermic effect. That means more energy is required to break down the protein molecules due to its complex protein structure. So, and the third one is that protein में less calories में आपका पेट भर जाता है, and protein is the most important macronutrient required for muscle building. Without protein आपके muscles नहीं बढ़ेंगे. That is very basic. So my second tip is to increase the protein intake. There are so many advantages of protein. It helps to reduce hair fall also. Skin के लिए बहुत ही beneficial है. Plus, while in your fat loss journey, protein helps to reduce cravings also. That means less calories में आपका पेट भी भर जाता है. So cravings भी of course reduce करेगा. And as I've told you, it has a more high thermic effect also. So definitely include more protein intake in your diet. Unfortunately, in our Indian diet, there is very less protein. But you can always DM me if you want to know if you want to know protein foods, even if you're vegetarians or if you're non-vegetarians. Non-veg के लिए तो बहुत ही सारी options है, like egg, fish, chicken, and you just name it. लेकिन veg के लिए बहुत कम है. But veg के लिए भी I'll just tell you some: quinoa, sprouts, broccoli, paneer, whey protein, milk, and what else? And dal. So and peanut butter. So there are many options for veg also. But there are no lean sources. Lean sources of protein का मतलब है सिर्फ protein, no carbs, no fats. So unfortunately, vegetarian के लिए there is no such lean source of protein. But there are so many vegetarians जिनके अच्छा physique है. So don't worry, don't get demoralized. Just remember to increase your protein intake. Third tip, guys, increase your water intake. Especially in fat loss journey, water is a must. Be it muscle gain, be it fat loss, पानी पीना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है. At least minimum 3 liters of water you need to have, be it whether you're a girl or whether you're a boy. Water has so many advantages. Hair and skin के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. It flushes out all the waste in the form of urine, and it keeps your metabolism high. And water also helps reduce hunger to an extent. And water is very good for your overall well-being also, you know. सुबह आप जैसे ही उठो, you need to have at least a glass of water. Then between your breakfast and lunch also you need to have water. कुल मिला के in a day you need to have minimum 3 to 4 liters of water, and maximum can go up to how much ever you want, because water has no calories, guys. And water is very important to keep your, you know, organs healthy from inside, because even your organs are very thirsty. So of course you have to provide them with good water. And please increase the intake. You will realize the difference, guys, कि अगर आप ज़्यादा पानी पियोगे तो आपका hunger भी बहुत कम होगा. And you know, and you'll have a very good positive approach also, because it just keeps your overall well-being very nice, and it also keeps your mood in a good situation, you know. So always increase your water. What I do, guys, is that I have a 2.2 liters bottle with me. तो मुझे सिर्फ वो एक बार ही भरना होता है. So you know, I would advise you guys to buy a big bottle, at least above 1.5 liters. क्योंकि क्या होता है, if you have a small bottle, suppose say 800 ml, तो आपको वो बार बार किचन से भरना पड़ेगा पानी, which can be a bit tiring and which can take a toll on your mental, it's like a psychological effect that it can have. So you know, buy a big bottle ताकि आपको एक बारी में ही you have to go and just fill it, and then that bottle can be used throughout the day. Like me, I have a 2.2 liters bottle, मैं सिर्फ उसे एक बारी भरता हूँ. So you know, so these are the small tips I can give you, but just remember you have to increase your water intake. Fourth tip, guys, stop eating outside food. I know कि आपको बहुत temptation होगा to eat outside or just to socialize with your friends. You will go outside and you will start eating junk food or you know any kind of food. But क्या होता है, when you go outside, obviously in the presence of other friends and all, you will be having some amount of junk food, and आपको पता भी नहीं होगा आपको कितना calories you will consume, and hence you will go in a calorie surplus. So avoid eating outside food as much as possible, because outside में क्या होता है कि they put too much salt and they put too much sugar, and as you know, salt और sugar में is the only two things in which आपको taste आता है. और बाहर के खाने में बहुत ही नमक डालते हैं या बहुत ही चीनी डाल देते हैं. And obviously if you're going outside, you're going out with your friends and all, वो लोग जंक खा रहे हैं, आप लोगों का भी tendency होगा to have junk. Hence so many calories enter your body and you won't even know that. So you know, just please try to avoid going and eating outside. You need to have a goal कि अगर मेरा 1 या 2 महीने का fat loss या fat goal का program है ही, तो you know, just reduce your trips to restaurants and all, और आप घर का खाना खाओ जो भी आपका मॉम या भाई बना रही है, and just have that, and then you will realize that that will play a huge role in your fat loss goal. Fifth tip, guys, eat a lot of vegetables. Vegetables is a must if you have to reduce your weight. Vegetables के अंदर बहुत ही कम कैलोरीज होती है, like 120 grams of salads will just have 20 calories. So आपको पता है कि कितना कम कैलोरीज आप खा रहे हो, and salads has a very high satiating effect because it's so high dense. That is why आपको, you know, you won't feel hungry often. And I've always told you कि have salads 30 minutes prior to your lunch and dinner. Raw salads. I'm not talking about cooked. I'm talking about raw salads. You know, have raw salads 30 minutes or 15 minutes before your lunch and dinner, and have a huge bowl ताकि you'll have less carbohydrates during your lunch and your dinner period, and that will play a huge role in your fat loss journey. And just think about it, कम कैलोरीज से आप बहुत ज़्यादा खा रहे हो, and that will also help you reduce your cravings or to reduce your hunger, right? And salads, you should cooked salads you should always have inside your lunch or during your dinner, because even cooked salad has a lot of benefits. And vegetables, ये जो सारे greens है, cucumber, tomato, onion, capsicum, olives, you can just make that form into salad. थोड़ा सा नींबू निचोड़ो, sprinkle some salt and pepper, and enjoy your meal. So next time, you know, if you want to snack on anything like chips or chocolates, avoid that and instead snack on salads. You'll see the difference, guys, कि chocolates and chips कितना calories और कितना sugar है उसमें, you know, and इस salads में it's high nutritious food, it's all fiber. Fiber has 0 calories, guys. Fiber has 0 calories. इसलिए ज़्यादा salads खाओ, आप लोगों को difference पता ही लग जाएगा. So my 6th tip, guys, take proper rest or sleep well. Minimum 6 to 8 hours of sleep is required if you want to build muscles at a good rate. As I've told you always, कि bodybuilding में और ये fitness journey में there are 3 pillars. So it's like a tripod stand. Good diet, good exercise, and rest. So without one, अगर one leg falls, the other 2 also will will fall. So it's like a tripod stand. So you need to make so these 3 needs to be in good balance: good rest, good exercise and good diet. So diet or exercise का तो you know, but a lot of people neglect sleep. They think that if you don't give our body rest तब भी चल जाएगा. ऐसे नहीं है, because after a heavy workout your suppose अगर मैंने आज legs मारा, so your legs also require good rest so that they can recover and be charged for the next workout. I've done some research and over there it showed that a group of studying, like a group of people, so basically that study divided two groups of people. एक जो बहुत ही rest लेते हैं, that takes good amount of rest and उनका diet और exercise है ही good, and the second group of people उनका rest बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं है. They slept for only 5 hours a day, whereas this group A I will name it, they slept 8 hours a day. It showed that group A के results were much faster than the group B का results. Why? Because ये वाले group ने ज़्यादा rest लिया और ये वाले group ने कम सोया, only 5 hours, whereas this group slept for 8 hours. So it plays a huge role. So please guys take good rest or sleep well so that your body, your muscles from inside gets rested enough and gets charged for the next workout. My 7th tip to you guys: eat more complex carbohydrates rather than simple carbs. Complex carbohydrates is a much better option than the simple carbs. Why? Because complex carbohydrates has more fiber as compared to the simple carbohydrates. It also helps to reduce the risk of high blood pressure and diabetes. And third, these complex carbohydrates are released at a very slow rate inside your bloodstream, which will keep you more energetic and which will also keep your metabolism very high. You know the difference between complex and simple carbs. Complex carbs में आते हैं आटा, that is whole wheat. Then and whereas simple carbs में आता है मैदा, that is flour. So you got to choose which is right for you and what's not. Chips, all these things, chips and ice cream and all these things come into carbohydrates, simple carbs. Whereas complex carbs में आता है brown rice, then multigrain breads, anything that is multigrain. So these are some of the examples of complex carbohydrates. So always include more complex carbohydrates and eliminate the simple carbs from your diet. My 8th tip to you guys: practice intermittent fasting. Now I'm not saying that intermittent fasting is some kind of magic tool which will immediately drop your weight or which will immediately drop your fat. ऐसा नहीं है. But intermittent fasting is beneficial because you're limiting your eating to a time period. For example, if you're fasting from 1 to 8, typically people do intermittent fasting for 8 hours, right? मैं 9 घंटे के लिए करता हूँ. Means I eat only for 9 hours and for the rest 24 minus 9 कितना होता है? 16 hours. Sorry, for the rest 15 hours मैं खाता भी नहीं, right? तो it's like that. तो मैं 15 घंटा नहीं खाता और मैं जो 9 घंटे हैं उसमें मैं खाता हूँ. So typically people fast between 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. So my first meal is only at 1 o'clock. So उसमें I try to include all the macronutrients in these 8 to 9 hours, and that will help you, to force yourself not to eat during late nights and all. So this can work on some people, and this may not work on some people. But if you're following the regular breakfast, lunch and dinner, और अगर आपके results नहीं आ रहे, you should definitely give this intermittent fasting a try, and then you will see the results. It's not a magic tool, but it all depends upon your diet, and of course you have to be in a calorie deficit. Even though if you're practicing intermittent fasting, लेकिन आप तभी भी calorie surplus से अगर आप calorie surplus खा रहे हो, कोई result नहीं पड़ेगा आपके fat loss में. So remember, calories deficit and intermittent fasting में only 8 hours, which will help you not to eat for the next 15 or 16 hours. So give this a try. My 9th tip: increase your cardio intake. Now a lot of people say that cardio is very important if you want to reduce weight, and they are right, guys. Cardio plays a huge role in weight loss or fat loss. But cardio doesn't mean कि आप 30 minutes या आप 1 घंटा बस ट्रेडमिल में भाग ही रहे हो या आप कहीं पे भाग रहे हो. That doesn't mean. Cardio, I made a full video on cardio also, guys. Please check it out. Cardio का मतलब होता है कि anything that keeps your heart rate elevated, right? That is called cardio. Anything that keeps your heart rate elevated up to an extent of 50%. मतलब आपकी normal heart beat से अगर 50% ज़्यादा आपका heart धड़क रहा है, you're officially into the stage of cardio. Cardio could mean anything. Playing a sport like cricket, football, tennis, squash, tennis. Sorry, I've already told tennis. Rugby, athletics, or it could be running on a treadmill, or it could be rope skipping, or it could be doing a HIIT workout, that is a high intensity interval training, ellipticals, or it could just be, walking, anything that keeps the heart rate up, that's called cardio. And guys, please do cardio as your friend. Do not do cardio as your enemy. Like, I prefer doing cardio at the first thing in the morning, right after workouts. I usually do cardio right after my workouts, 10 to 15 minutes right after my workout. Why? Because already when you're doing your weight training, you're burning some amount of calories. And जो extra glycogen जो already रह गया है while doing a weight training, that can be depleted off while doing cardio. Hence, a lot of these bodybuilders and all, they perform cardio at the first thing, fasted in the morning, या तो after your weight training. And that really helps in reducing weight. But guys, cardio could be anything, as I've told. The major tip I can give you over here, which I followed during my fat loss journey, I used to go for half an hour to 1 hour walks after my dinner. Why only after my dinner? Because dinner के बाद there is no any form of physical activity that you're doing. Dinner के बाद आप सीधा सो ही रहे हो, right? लेकिन breakfast के बाद है, lunch के बाद है, snack के बाद, you're always doing some physical activity. या तो you're walking, या तो you have to go to your school, college, office, or you're going for your workouts during your evening. So there's always something that you are doing after your lunch or after your breakfast. But after dinner is the only time where after dinner you're just going to bed to sleep, right? So after dinner, always make sure that you're going at least for a half an hour walk. That walk could be down in a colony or just something like that, And instead of using the lift, try to use the stairs. These small changes, if you inculcate in your life, it can play a huge role in your fat loss. So increase your cardio intake. I would suggest at least 3 days, minimum 3 days cardio in a week, 10 to 15 minutes cardio in a week. And of course guys, you will see the results within 1 month. I can guarantee you that. My last and final tip to you guys, 10th tip, avoid sugar products. Avoid any sugary products, guys. Be it packed juices, soft drinks, chocolate ice creams, chocolate or brownies, or all these desserts what you have, or even even cornflakes. Cornflakes also has a lot of sugar. Although it's healthy for you, but still cornflakes has a lot of sugar. Avoid any sugary products, guys, because sugar के अंदर बहुत ही calories होती हैं, and sugar damages your muscles, and it damages the internal organs also. And I would suggest, guys, instead of water and milk, except for water and milk, you guys shouldn't be having any other liquid drinks or even fresh juices, because even fruits have sugar. But I'm not telling you to neglect fruits, because fruits के अंदर fructose होता है, that is the fruit sugar, fructose, and they have a lot of multivitamins and minerals also inside, which you cannot neglect, which your body requires. And fruit sugar, I've already made a video on sugar. Fruit sugar में क्या होता है, you can easily burn that sugar while doing a workouts or even while walking and all. But जो normal जो आप sugar लेते हो, जो artificial sugars होते हैं, that's not good for your body. And speaking more about these liquidy drinks, except for water and milk and fresh juices, just try to avoid any other liquid drinks, because आपका पेट भी नहीं भरने वाला, and आपको आधे घंटे के बाद फिर से खाने का टेंडेंसी या पीने का टेंडेंसी होगा. So I'll tell you some good healthy drinks that you should have. Water being number 1, milk, lemon juice, that is nimbu pani, because lemon is very important to detoxify your body. जितना भी गंद है वो सब निकाल देता है, and fresh juices also is very good. Although उसमें चीनी है, but as I've told, that is good sugar. After that, and also that fresh juices के अंदर कोई artificial juice नहीं और कोई artificial sugar नहीं होता. It's all natural sugar, fructose. Tea, that is green tea. Green tea is very good because it's very high in vitamin C, and especially during this COVID time, it keeps your immunity system very high. Coffee, and coffee, I don't mean cold coffee. Cold coffee के अंदर 100% चीनी होता है. If you're going out and if you're having a coffee, always order hot coffee, cappuccino. क्योंकि cappuccino के अंदर क्या होता है? It's only water and milk mixed together, and no sugar. They don't add any sugar. So if you have to add sugar also, please add sugar free, or any plant-based sugar which has just the taste of sugar. So all these small changes you need to inculcate in your life or in your diet, and you can see these results. I know कि I might be sounding very foolish that I'm paying attention to these very tiny minute details, but trust me, this will go a long way in your physical transformation from fat to fit. So these were my 10 tips, guys. I hope you like this, and don't worry guys, ऐसे में fat loss tips आते ही रहेंगे. So this is not the only fat loss का video I'm making. There will be many other videos, and that will help you in your fat loss transformation. So I hope you like this video guys. Please share this video to your friends if you liked it, and please support me guys. Follow this page, and also please share my profile to your friends so that even they can follow me, and they can also get some valuable insights through my page. I hope you like this video guys. Take care and stay safe.